I saw this upgrade was in beta. It's been in beta for like 3 weeks. I've seen big YouTubers doing reviews on it already, but I wasn't willing to be a beta tester, so that was a big no for me. But now it's here. Have you downloaded it? Are you going to try it out? I've got the results for you. Hey, what's up, guys? Let me get situated a minute. I just got back from a ride, testing out. Yeah, check this out. The Max Lens mod on the Hero 10. Yeah, that's right. I have 2 of them. I kept the one on the 9 and I got the one on the 10 now, but we're gonna take a look at the upgrade process today and test whether or not it works. So I've got some riding footage to show you. So let's begin. Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm John. You're of course watching Road Reality, and we like to do a lot of motovlog stuff and test cameras. So where'd my Hero 10 go? I've got the Hero 10 in the media mod, and we're just gonna use it like that today. But I'm gonna show you some of the new screens, frame rates, and everything in the press release. Let's go open up GoPro's website. So we're gonna start with the upgrade, the help menu, product updates, GoPro Hero 10, and let's take a look at the release notes. Here's the big one right here, enables Max Lens mod compatibility. And that's what I tested today. It adds new resolutions, as you can see here, mostly 24 FPS, frames per second, which is for cinematic type stuff. Super View digital lens up to 5.3. Okay, that doesn't really mean much to me. But here's another big one, reduces highlight clipping to prevent overexposure in bright conditions. This has been an issue for GoPro for a while. When you get into very high light situations, the image is just way overblown. So we're also going to take a look at some footage and see if they fix that today too. So let's do our upgrade. You can do it automatically through your phone, or you can update it manually. And I'm not going to read through the instructions, but basically the gist is you download the update, you put it on your camera's SD card, pop it in, turn the camera on, and it updates. I've covered that before. If you want to see that, I'll leave a link in the description below for my Hero 9 video. Hero 10 is the same, but today we want to know if we got results. Before we take a look at some footage, let's take a look at the GoPro itself. So as you can see here, it's got Max Lens mode enabled, and they've added a button here for turning on horizon lock and turning it off. So that's pretty sweet. If you go to preferences, about, camera info, you can see that it now says firmware 1.20. Right here you can see the Max Lens mode. And I've got it turned off right now so we can check out the other frame rates that they added. Now I've checked and they all seem to be there. Look at the 24. That wasn't there before. Yeah, check it out. Now, let's take a look at some of that footage. So here you can see I have horizon lock off, and you can see that the horizon moves a little bit, although it's really stable. I've gone back and forth on this footage, and honestly, I can't really tell a big difference, but we'll skip ahead to another video. And here is horizon lock on, and look how stable that is. This is kind of crazy. My bike is gonna move around a ton. Look at that again with the horizon lock on, and just look at that. It's nuts. It's just absolutely rock solid. For another test, let's take a look at some footage where I'm riding into the sunlight. This is with the Max Lens mod enabled. Horizon lock is on, and it's supposed to be compensating for overexposure. I'm getting a real good lens flare, but I'm not seeing some great detail that I think I should, but it is pretty reflective. Let's take a look at another video. Here we've got a very similar pattern, but with a less shiny road. And that one, we're getting a lot of good detail on the right, and the sun sort of washes out the clouds a little bit, but I think that's a little better than it was before. So that's the GoPro Hero 10 1.20 firmware upgrade. Finally got that Max Lens capability. I did order a second one of these, so no camera trickery needed. We've got both cameras with Max Lens mods on them. Should be a nice upgrade to my vlogging setup. I think people are liking the wide angle lens for showing off the scenery when I ride. And hopefully your viewers like it too, or if you're doing stuff at home, hopefully it works out well for you. So let me know what you think about this video and the 1.20 firmware upgrade in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Remember 2 things. 1, you have a 100% track record of making it through a bad day. And 2, do something nice for yourself every day. John out, and take a look at the playlist and video here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.